Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about the problems how to find banker's discount, true discount, banker's gain and the face value of the bill. For today's class we are going to discuss how to find the date on which bill was drawn. So I present a problem before you. A bill of rupees 10,500 at 4 months was discounted for rupees 10,374 on 24 August 2011. If the rate of interest is 6% per annum, find on which date the bill was drawn. Okay, so in this case, you are given the face value of the bill, that is 10,500. You are given the discounted value of the bill, that is 10,374 rupees, and the date of discounting is given, that is 24 August, and you are asked to find the date on which bill is drawn. So to proceed ahead, let us start finding banker's discount. You have already learned the problems on how to find banker's discount from the face value and the discounted value, and the formula is banker's discount is equal to face value minus discounted value. Face value is 10,500 minus discounted value, so we get banker's discount as rupees 126. Okay, another formula for banker's discount is BD equals to S into R into T. S stands for face value, R stands for rate of interest, and T stands for time period. So we have banker's discount, that is 126 rupees. S is 10,500. Rate of interest is 6%, that is 6 upon 100, into time period which we have to find. Then we have to take T as T upon 365, so that T equals to 126 into 100 upon 10,500 into 6 into 365. So after calculating this, we get T as 73 days. Now let us find out the due date of the bill. Due date of the bill is nothing but the date of discounting plus 73 days, which we got here. So date of discounting is, the bill was discounted on 24 August. So after 24 August, you have to add these 73 days. So let us count from August. August has 31 days. So from 31, let us subtract this 24 days. Then September has 30 days, October has 31 days, and November 5. The total of all this comes to 73 days, and therefore the due date is on 5th November. Now the date on which bill was drawn, we have to find the date on which bill was drawn. So hence you know that the bill was drawn at 4 months. So from this due date, that is 5th November, you have to go back 4 months plus 3 days of grace before 5th November. So from 5th November, you have to go back 4 months and 3 days of grace. So November to October, October to September, September to August, August to July, so completes 4 months. And from 5th July, subtract 3 days of grace, so it comes to 2nd July. So the bill was drawn on 2nd July. Okay.